The earliest evidence of wild tobacco use that has been found so far has been discovered in Utah, in its Great Salt Lake Desert. Before this, the oldest evidence of tobacco use was from 3,000 years ago. In 2018, ceramic pipes with bits of tobacco remaining in them were found in Alabama. These were found to be 3,000 years old, which made them at that time the oldest yet known evidence of tobacco use in human history. Now this discovery in Utah is far older, being about 12,000 years old, which means it is 9,000 years older than anything found before. Tobacco has played a big role in human history. It has grown in the wild in the Americas and was found by the Native Americans who used it long before European settlers arrived. Tobacco was a big reason they came. Growing tobacco was a large part of the economy when they settled there. So a group of archaeologists from the Far Western Anthropological Research Group and the Crow Canyon Archaeological Center found this evidence of the oldest yet known human consumption of tobacco. They found it when they were excavating at the Wishbone site there in the Great Salt Lake Desert. There they found a fire pit made by people about 12,000 years ago. This area is now desert, but at that time it was marshland. The fire pit was used to cook meat that these people had caught. The archaeologists found many things near this pit, which included tools made out of stone, bones of animals, seeds, and other things as well. The seeds were from various plants. For information about the seeds in one particular kind, I will quote from the article on phys.org here. Quote, "Some are from plants typically eaten by people of the time, such as hairgrass, goosefoot, and red maize. But others were from wild tobacco plants. In all, the team found 4 of them, all charred by the fire, but still identifiable." End of quote. Tobacco plants did not grow there in that area, so it is logical to assume that these people had gotten it from somewhere else and brought it with them to this place. These people were travelers and only stayed at that site for some time before moving on. Those who studied this said about how the seeds got there, quote, "They further suggest it was likely the people were chewing the tobacco plants and spitting out the seeds. Doing so would have released the nicotine into the plants, giving the chewer a rush as it stimulates increased dopamine levels." End of quote. These archaeologists published their findings in the journal Nature Human Behavior. So these people chewed on the tobacco and spat the seeds out, which the archaeologists found. The charred wood from the fire was used to carbon date the site to find out how old it was. This shows that tobacco was used by humans about 12,500 years ago, which makes it the oldest yet discovered evidence of tobacco being used by humans. This also is evidence tobacco has been used for a while in human history. That fact has been known for a while, but now this discovery proves its use is older than what was known before. So I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you very much.